Welcome back to my channel.
When we get to it, we keep giving all that we got. Too lit for this shit right now. Too busy for this shit right now.
So today, I think I am just going to be doing a hair tutorial. I will be doing a half up, half down claw clip look, because that's what I've been liking recently. So I'm like, I might as well record it. So I will be doing a voiceover of this video, but I just want to give a gist of my hair. Yesterday, I co-washed it and I put it in about 8 twists just to get the moisture back in. And then I untwisted them and I had somewhere to go yesterday. So then after all that, I just put my bonnet on and this is what it looks like. So I am just going to be doing my hair, and like I said, I will be doing a voiceover as I do this, but I just thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me do my hair, or you guys learned something. First, I started off by just wetting my hair all the way around. With my hair, I cannot work with it if it's even a lick of dry. I need a lot of water so I can get through my hair. So then after drenching with water, I am going to be sectioning my hair into 2 parts. One for the down section of my claw clip and one for the ponytail section. And for the parting, I am not making it perfectly straight or anything because it's really not that important because you're not going to see it that much. And then I will just be sectioning off that top part and getting that out the way because now we are focusing on the back. And so I am going to be using the Extreme Wet Line Gel as always, and also my Mielle Twisting Souffle. And then I'm just going to be wetting my hair again. Like I said, I need my hair drenched, not drenched, but a decent amount of wetness where I can get my fingers through. And so now I'm just gonna be going section by section and applying some product so it's easy for me to deal with it. And so my curls will be defined. And I will be going with my Mielle Twisting Souffle in that section, and I will just be rubbing it throughout my hair just so it can get on every single strand. And then after, I'm gonna go in with the Wet Line Extreme Gel, not too much, not too little. And then I will be twisting this section and getting it out the way. And the reason why I twist it is because it gives me a real nice definition at the end. So I won't let them dry until they're done, but then I'll just kind of let them sit while I'm doing the other section of my hair. And then at the end, I will be undoing them. But here you'll see through the section of the back of my hair, I'm just going to be repeating those steps and twisting just to get it all out the way and get it defined. And like I said before, I'm just going to be repeating the same steps on the back of my hair. And I think I'll end up with about 4 twists. But yeah, so just getting that all out the way, getting some moisture in my hair, and then just making my hair a little more defined. I know it's not the cutest, but it will be. So now I will be starting off with the top section of my hair, and I will be separating it into 2 separate parts because my hair is very thick and I need to separate it so I can actually get the definition that I want and to get my comb through. So I'm going to be putting that top section away, the front section I should say away, and then I'm going to start working on the back. And the first thing, as always, I'm going to spray it down with some water all the way around. And then I'm also going to be combing it out. And I feel like this is such an important part, especially since this section of my hair will be up in a ponytail. It just makes it easy to slick it down and to make it just look so silk and sleek when you put it in that ponytail. So I am going to be putting my L cream in it again, and I am going to be sectioning even this section off. So like I said, so I can really get that moisture and definition, I will be sectioning that off. And then the same thing I did with the back is the same thing I am going to be doing with the front, just so it's easy to deal with. Like I said before, I went in with the Mayo, and then I just put it throughout my whole hair. And I'm going to be using, it's not a dimming brush, it's kind of a ghetto version of a dimming brush, but I'm going to be using that just to get all the kinks out that I missed with my comb. And now I'm just going to be twisting it to get it out of the way and to lock in some of that moisture. And then same with the other side. I will be repeating those steps and then twisting it on down to get it out of the way once again. And now I will be doing the same thing with the top section. I know I look crazy as ever. You already know the deal by now, just wetting down my hair. Then I'm going to be separating it into 2 separate parts, just like I did the back of my hair in the middle. And now I'll be going in with my L, twisting souffle and twisting that right on up. And I forgot to say, I didn't put gel in these twists due to the fact that it's going to be in a ponytail, and I'm going to be putting a pretty decent amount of gel on it so I can lay it down, so there's no reason for me to put it on my twist. And now I will be putting that front part up again so I can get it out the way, so I can get back to the back part and untwist these. And then I'm gonna go in with the comb and the brush again, just to get all those tangles out and make sure they're all gone again. And then I will be putting it in a ponytail first before I put the gel on, but then I will be going back right here and putting the wet line gel on the perimeter. I feel like it's easier for me to lay it down this way, because also my arms be hurting like heck, especially while I'm doing my hair. But then, as you say, I'm just going to be using a brush and slicking it down while it's already in that ponytail. And now I will be taking out the front sections and getting them all cleaned up, and then using the brush and the comb again just to get all those tangles out, so I can brush it back into a ponytail. And I'm just putting wet line gel on the front, and I'm just gonna continue to try to slick it on back and get all that gel incorporated. And then now I actually will be taking that back part out of the ponytail, and then I will be working with both parts together, trying to brush it into a ponytail. And then I'm literally just getting those back twists out the way with my claw clips so I can stop brushing them. And then I will be going in with a rat tail comb just so I can really get it smooth, get all those bumps out the way so it can just be a smooth, flat surface. And here you see I'm just pulling out some baby hairs just to get them out the way. But then sometimes I also use my edge brush as a little brush because it gets in there sometimes better than my big brush does. And now I will be doing the same thing on the other side. And as you can tell, I always really work in sections just to try to get it over with, because I know I can't work with my hair all together. So it's just like, might as well do the section so it can be easier. And then I am just creating that ponytail for my claw clip. So then to get more definition, like I'm up the back, I am going in with some water and then going in with my comb just to get those knots on out, like I keep on repeating. And then I will be sectioning my hair, and I then will be twisting those sections so they can sit and get a little more defined as I untwist and do the back. So now that I twisted the top of my hair, now I'm going to be untwisting the bottom, and I kind of just separate them, make them look fluffy and nice. There's not really much to it, as you can tell. But like I said, it's giving the definition that I wanted. And while I still wait on the other twist in the ponytail, I did my edges. I did this off camera though. So now I just will be untwisting the top of my hair just like I did the back, just so I can get all that good definition so it can be all cute. So this is the look. Don't mind my edges. You can leave it like this, which is just a simple half up, half down, or you can claw clip. Let's see if I can do this. Or you can just claw clip it. And isn't this cute? It's a butterfly. I think I showed you before. But basically, claw clip it. And then 1 second. So this is the half up, half down with the claw clip. It really didn't take that long. It was pretty quick and easy. I just had to section my hair so I could really get that comb and brush through. This might be one of my favorite hairstyles, especially with my glasses. You guys are probably like, I've never seen you with glasses. I usually wear contacts, but one of my contacts ripped and I have to order new ones. So right now we are stuck with glasses, Devin. But I think this is a cute look, especially with my glasses. But I thank you guys for watching. If you guys stayed this long, and if you guys want more videos like this, just let me know down in the comments below. And I appreciate you guys just for watching my videos and just supporting me. And if you haven't already, give me a follow. And like I said, if there's any videos that you guys would like to see me do, just let me know. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Monday.